Did you know that a catastrophic chain reaction in space could one day sever Earth's communication systems? Imagine no internet, no GPS, and no satellites to power our daily lives. This terrifying scenario is known as the Kessler Syndrome. In today's video, we'll uncover how it happens, its impact on humanity, and what scientists are doing to stop it. Stick around. This is something you don't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're fascinated by space and the mysteries surrounding it, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into a mind-blowing yet alarming topic, the Kessler Syndrome. By the end of this video, you'll know why it's one of the biggest challenges for space exploration. So let's get started and explore the dangers lurking in our orbit. 1. What is Kessler Syndrome? Kessler Syndrome describes a scenario where space debris, broken parts of satellites, rockets, and other objects, collides with other objects in orbit, creating even more debris. This creates a chain reaction that could render Earth's orbit unusable for decades or even centuries. 2. How does it happen? Imagine an old satellite breaking into pieces. These fragments then collide with other satellites, breaking them apart and generating more fragments. This cycle repeats, creating an uncontrollable cascade of debris. 3. What are the potential consequences? If this happens, it could destroy our satellite networks, cutting off essential services like internet, weather forecasting, navigation, and even banking systems. Kessler Syndrome is not just a space problem. It could disrupt life on Earth. 4. How are scientists tackling it? To prevent this, scientists are working on innovative solutions like space cleaning technologies. For example, they're using nets, harpoons, and even lasers to capture and eliminate space debris. Additionally, modern satellites are being designed to reduce debris and burn up safely in the atmosphere after their mission ends. Friends, Kessler Syndrome is a wake-up call for all of us. It highlights the importance of responsible use of technology and sustainable practices in space exploration. What do you think could be the best solution to this problem? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating content. See you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming about the stars.